In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix site to Google Search Console using an HTML meta tag. First, open Google Search Console by going to search.google.com/search console and sign in with your Google account. On the left, open the Add Property dropdown and choose URL prefix. Paste your Wix homepage URL exactly as it appears in the browser, including HTTPS and any WEB. If your site uses it, then click Continue. Accuracy here matters because Google treats different URL variants as separate addresses. Google will now ask you to verify ownership of your site. Select HTML tag, sometimes called the meta tag method. You'll see a line of code. Copy that entire meta tag exactly as it's shown and don't edit anything inside it. Keep this browser tab open. You'll come back to it to complete verification. Now switch to your Wix dashboard and open your site in the editor. In the left-hand menu, go to Marketing and SEO, then open SEO. Scroll until you find Site Verification or use the search box there to find it quickly. Under Google Search Console, paste the HTML meta tag you copied a moment ago, then click Save. Make sure you paste the full tag from Google, not just a portion of it, so the verification works correctly. Head back to your Google Search Console tab. Under the HTML tag option, click Verify. Google will scan your site for that meta tag, and if everything is placed correctly, you'll see a success message confirming that you own the property. If verification doesn't pass on the first try, give it a minute and try Verify again to allow the change to register. After verification, your Wix site will appear as a property in your Search Console account. Data doesn't show up instantly. Expect to wait about 24 to 48 hours for key metrics, like search queries, impressions, clicks, and index pages, to begin populating. That's normal, and the data will grow as Google crawls more of your site. With the connection in place, you're set to monitor performance, spot coverage issues, and refine your SEO strategy using real search insights. You can revisit this property anytime to check how your pages are doing, identify errors Google finds, and track improvements over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more straightforward guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day in any time zone.